here we're selling this lovely Ducati Diavel 1198cc. It's a 2016 16 plate and it's done 4,451 miles. Really nice bike, this one. It's the later model with the LED sides on the headlight, like a daytime running light on there. The spec on these is phenomenal. Brembo monoblock brakes, traction control, ABS. This one's also got a Werkes USA exhaust on it, so it sounds a bit cool. Huge section rear tyre on these. They are just an animal. A little bit of pitting on the exhaust. Just goes like that from the heat, but it is how it is. It's also got a nice rear rack on there as well. Put your sandwiches on there. Comes with a rear seat cover, which does come off as well there. And this lovely custom stitched seat like a Bentley. Lovely clean bike. Just start it up for you. It's keyless, so I've got the key in my pocket and then you just do that. There she goes. So you've got your full colour dash down there and your main rev counter and your speed up there. I'll just start it up because it does sound a monster with that pipe on. I don't know whether the microphone on this camera would have done that justice. It's ridiculously loud. Anyway, there you go. You know where you are, know where we are, sorry. If you fancy it, drop us an email and we'll get right back to you. Thank you. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.